welcome back to the workshop, and in this video we're repairing the Cossack. As you can see, it's in a few more pieces than it's meant to be. It's my own fault. Basically, I was taxiing back and it doesn't have a steerable rudder, so I just kind of taxied into the long grass. So that pulled out the undercarriage and the whole plate. So I'm gonna take out some triangle supports in here, get a thicker piece of plate and make it fit in there. Then I'm going to put the triangular pieces in, the depth it needs to be in, glue it all together, and yeah, just go on about fixing it. So I'm going to put it on a tripod and get on with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is, as I said, I'm going to get some of the covering cut back so I can get in here well. Yeah, get some of the covering cut back somewhere here. Not going to bother with that bit. Not going to bother with that. But down the sides here and along the front. So I've made a plate, but now I need to cut out a bit here, cut out all the broken balsa, or shattered balsa I should say, and put some more in. Right, so just going to leave that to dry, then I'll be back. Right, so this is where we are. Got triangle supports in. Oh shit. Don't look at that. We've got triangle supports in, plate made, T-nuts in, this bit of wood made to kind of fit. So I need a tiny bit of sanding or a bit of epoxy or something over the top just to get rid of that. But I think that's completely doable. Yeah, sorted. So yeah, I'm going to get some 2 bolts with a bit of grease going through here and here. Some epoxy around the T-nuts. Oh, I put doubles in here just to make things easier. Some epoxy around the T-nuts. Then I'm going to get that clamped into place, all where it needs to be, all flat. And then yeah, I get epoxy around this, onto there, and slap it in. Then we're going to leave that to dry, come back, give it a sand, and then it should be time for covering. So yeah, I'm going to get on with that. Right, so now we need to leave it to dry, come back, give it a sand, slap some covering on. Right, so this is where we are. We've got the plate in, all that crap sorted, it's sanded. So now I need to slap some covering on. Already cut the covering because I have. So it literally just needs to put on. Yeah, so covering doesn't match up at all. It's not pretty. Neither is the model. So, oh dear, what a shame. For what it is, it doesn't matter. Let's get this exhaust tightened back up. Right, so yeah, that's sorted. It's ugly, it's functional. It might not be functional just yet, but... Right, so yeah, it's ugly, it's different colour, doesn't look good. I don't care. It'll fly again. So there's the glow hack sorted. So yeah, if you're enjoying this sort of hang on. Don't go anywhere. So yeah, if you're enjoying this sort of content, leave a like. If you haven't already subscribed. But from me and no one else in the workshop, I'll see you next time.